Hey, this is Rick. In this example, I'm going to be sharing with you how to add content from a Microsoft Word document like this one over into the email designer. Alright, so I have my Word document and I'm going to pull up my email now. So I'm going to go ahead and find the email, and then here's where you'll see the actual email. There's already some rich fields here already. If I look at my Word template, doesn't have any customizations per se. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and update this image here. So we're just going to go here, delete that image. I'm going to grab this new image here, and then I'm going to double click here. And it looks like I already have the image here. So I'm just going to select that one. And then we're done with that part now. So we can just get rid of that on our Word doc. I like to include the first name. I don't like to bold it. I just like this, dear so-and-so. And then you can see here you have some text here. So this should probably have been part of the banner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo this banner. So I'm going to get rid of this. And then I'm going to take a screenshot here of everything. There we go. And then I'm going to go grab this. Okay. Now we're going to do banner 2. Get rid of my old banner. Just call it banner. Okay, perfect. Back into image. Double click. Upload it. Do banner. There it is. And now we have that pretty text in there with the formatting. Okay. So now we're done with that one. We're done with this one. And then now we can go on to the text. So here, you're just simply going to go right click, copy. Come back over here. And then I'm just going to get rid of some of these sections. Because we don't need them. Like that. And then we're going to grab our text tool here. We're going to go here. And then we're going to paste it in. Now, it's not letting me paste in right now because there is formatting inside this text, like this bold and then this blue color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and go back over here. And I'm going to do a Command-Shift-V. And then I'll allow you to paste it. What that says is just says paste it in without all this bolding and color and stuff like that. Just because the email designer doesn't support all those fancy things. You just want to do Command-Shift-V if you're on a Mac. If you're on Windows, you want to do Control-Shift-V. That will allow you to be able to paste it without any formatting. Okay, great. So let me go in here and let me see if there's anything here. This looks good. Let's hit the 25. And then we're going to duplicate it and we're going to go on to the next one. Okay, so we're going to go here, go grab the next line. So this is just a link. And probably be a good idea to make this a button. So we should have a button here. Here we go. Okay. And then now we're going to have to make it a link. So here's the link already. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to grab this. I'm going to select it, click on the link. Click OK. And now that is a link. And then we want to open, that doesn't really matter, it's just an email. So that's okay. Okay. Alright, so we can move on to the next section here, which is another text section. So again, we're done with this. I guess the only thing we don't have is the color. and the yeah, so I guess it's the color and the bold. So it's kind of like a bluish color. So I'm gonna go here. There's a little drop down. You can select the color, and it's kind of a darker color. Maybe like that one. Okay, great. So we have that, and then what was the other thing here? Bolding this. So we're gonna go here, bold that one, and that looks good. And as kind of as you're making progress on this email, I like the pretty art. Could click the save button, because that lets you know that like, hey, if my kids come in or if I stop working on it, like all my work is saved. If you do not click on the save button, it will not save your work. So just be careful and make sure you have that clicked. All right, so we're gonna clone this one. We're gonna move it below that one. And then we're just gonna keep going. So we're done with this, we're done with that. The button we can change as well if we wanted to. So let's go here. Maybe we can do like, let's see if we can change the color of the button. Font color is white. Okay, so here's our background color. Gonna go into like a there you go. We can do like a blue one. What did we have? Yeah, it was blue. Okay. Alright, so we can move on to the next one here. So now we have a bullet of bullets situation here. So pretty much you just go grab your first bullet. So get rid of this. And then we obviously still want that coloring. So we're just going to do this. And same thing again, Command Shift V. The email designer doesn't currently support bullets of bullets, which is bullet of bullet. So we're just going to do main heading and then bullets under it. So we're just going to grab this one. As I did as before, clean it up. Grab this one. Clean it up. And then bold, bold, bold. Bold. I'm doing Command B for bolding here. But you can just easily just go up here and just click on the B and that will do that. If you're on a Windows machine, it's Control Shift B. Control Shift B as in boy. Okay, and that will get you that. So we're done with that one. And then pretty much we're just gonna duplicate this again. Go grab this one. There we go. Get rid of this bullet over here. Okay, and then for this one too is the only thing that you get. So we're going to select the whole thing, remove the bold, select that one, and then this same thing here as well. Get rid of that. And then same thing again, I'm still Command Shift V pasting in. Same thing if you're in Windows, Control Shift V. We lost that blue color, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type it in like this. And then we need that color, which I don't remember what it was. I think I should be able to grab it. Okay, I don't remember the blue color. This is why it's a good idea to write down what color you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe go here. And still grabbing the black. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. This would work. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, and then we have a little star, which I would recommend just to be on its own like this. But again, we're missing the blue color, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Grab that. And there we go. And then maybe we can italicize it. Okay, so I'm going to save that. As we continue to kind of make progress, so okay, we're done with these bullets, we can get rid of this. And we can move on to the next thing here. So I'm going to go back over here, clone this one. And then same as before, I'm going to grab this one, bring it all the way down. Get rid of all this. Okay, looks like we lost the color, so I'm going to go here. Get rid of that. Okay, and then we're this is just bullets, so this one should be simple. And then something here again. And again, I'm still using that Command-Shift-V or Control-Shift-V if you're on Windows. Okay. Great, so I'm just going to save my work here. And it looks like this one doesn't have any bullets, so we can just finish that one up. And then we have kind of bold type of things. I'm just going to grab this one. Go like this. Kind of a blue. And then for this one, it is centered. So we're going to go here, center it. And it's kind of a bolder thing. So we're just going to do maybe like 18, weight, bold. And yeah, it kind of looks like it right there. There we go. Alright, so now we got rid of that. Now we're going to go and grab another text. So back over here. There we go. Oh, we want the blue, so we're going to just clone this one. Bring this one down. And paste it in. Okay, and then clone this one, bring this one down. Okay, and just like this. Okay. Okay, so this photo credit. Okay. So we're done with this. Save our work. So the last and final thing here is this image. It's a great image. However, it doesn't follow our standard for images. So let me show you the image that we support. So it's an 800 by 200 image, which is just, a smaller image instead of this gigantic image, right? If you try to put this inside The email will take up about the whole entire email. So I'm just going to kind of grab my favorite part of the image. Okay. I'm going to go grab that here. Perfect. And I'm just going to bring this into Word. Okay, and then we want to give photo credit. I'm going to do something that put that in here. I think I'll do this in the text editor. I'll just kind of do it like this. So, same business before. We're going to do another screenshot. And maybe we'll float this one to the right. Okay, and then we'll just, again, go and grab another screenshot here. Okay, that looks good. So we're going to go into here. Drag and drop our image, double click it, upload an image, banner 2. And there it is. So I'm going to upload that there. And then finally, we did have the copy here that says thank you for support. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to clone this one. Bring this one down. And this is just thank you for your support. There we go. And then they have it on a darker blue, some more colors. Click OK, and then there we go. Alright, so we've officially saved that. So now it's time to preview it. So I'm going to head over to preview. And then this is what it looks like. So we have our merge field. We have all the content. We have our bullets. And yeah, this looks great. So now pretty much the only thing I want to change here is the line height. Looks a little wonky, a little bit hard to read. So we're just going to go and change that. So we're going to go into here. And then typography, and we're going to go 27 on this one. This will just make the lines a little bit easier to read. Okay, and then we'll click save. Back to preview. Okay, there we go. So now we have our image, Dear Kelly, our bullet points, and then all the content is there. Yeah, so this looks great. I'm pretty happy with it. I can click on this little external here, and so it'll show me what the email actually looks like. You can modify here any way you like. And then if you're ready, you can go ahead and send yourself, place your email here, and then send an email. And so go ahead and send you a copy. And then you will see here the actual email in your client. I'm just in Gmail. This is why it looks this way. But you can see here we have our 2 images, our merge field, all the content, and the email looks great. And if I click renew now, it will take us to the right place. I'm pretty happy with this email. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a day for this one.
And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.